So your Fontana oven can operate at a wide range of temperatures from 200, 250 degrees up to over 1,000 degrees. So as you're using your oven for the first time, you want to make sure that you're setting yourself up for success. So when you go to cook your first pizza, for instance, you don't want to immediately jump into a 900 degree pizza. For most of you, this is going to be a completely different world at cooking at temperatures at 700 degrees and in excess of 700 degrees. So my recommendation is, if you want to start off with your first pizza, start off by keeping your fire or your flame kind of lower and maintaining a stone temp of 650 to 700 degrees. 7 to 750 will give you a 2 to 2.5 minute pizza, which is already way faster than most of you are already used to cooking at. And once you have that completely nailed down, then you're going to be ready to jump up to that 900 degree stone temp.